Okay, let's move on to speaking part 1 and we'll ask you some questions you have got to answer. The topic is collabority.
Celebrity.
Yeah, not collabority. So topic is celebrity and you got to answer. Yes, please.
Who is your favorite celebrity?
Particularly, I don't have any favorite celebrity, but I have acquaintance with Mahira Khan. She's a good actor, a model,
She's a good actress, model,
actress, and a
yeah.
model.
Just be sure about it. Now you've selected Myra Khan. Just go on and say a couple of things. Who's your favorite celebrity? Now I don't
Actually,
know
I
who Myra Khan
don't
is.
know about
I
her.
tell you. But just you got to answer. Who's your favorite celebrity? My favorite celebrity is Myra Khan. She's one of my favorite actress. In fact, she's a model and she appears in TV dramas as well. And her acting skills are remarkable.
Yes.
That is why I like her very much. Now this answer is true for any celebrity.
Okay.
Myra Khan or Mahira Khan or Shah Rukh Khan or Salman Khan, you can say the same things, okay? So just try to, generalize your answers. Let's go on.
Would you want to be a celebrity in the future?
No, I don't.
Now, I wouldn't. The question
Okay.
is, would you like to become a celebrity in the future? No,
No,
I
I
wouldn't.
wouldn't.
Because,
Because I'm not interested in social media and all that. I'm always interested in my studies and related. I would choose that profession that relates to my taste, like.
okay. Or you can say celebrities don't have any private life.
Yeah.
It's quite difficult and my family will not allow me to become a celebrity. So to answer your question, I would never like in my whole life to become a celebrity. My shoe. Okay, yeah, my foot. At the end, you can just say something like that. All right. So, good. Do you like foreign celebrities?
Yes. No, I don't.
Yes, no, yes. No. Yes, yeah. No, yes, no. Listen, whatever you say, no or yes, just defend your answer. The new word I would say, defend your answer. Do you like foreign celebrities? Well, I don't know because I don't know any foreign celebrities. I know
Yes.
some celebrities who are from my country and I don't have enough knowledge about foreign celebrities. So it's very hard for me to say anything about foreign celebrities. So yeah, I can't say anything. That's it. Instead of saying no, okay, just say things definitely. Show confidence. Answer every question, even if you don't have the answer. Even if you don't know the answer, still you have to answer.
Okay.
Right? Just give the reasons why you don't know the answer. Right? Okay, thank you.